Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the latest steps to prevent Google Chrome from accessing your contacts on your Android phone. Protecting your privacy is more important than ever, and with just a few quick changes in your phone's settings, you can take control over which apps have access to your personal information. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is usually found as a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, or it might be called App Management depending on your device. Tap on Apps, and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Scroll through this list until you find Google Chrome. When you spot it, tap on Google Chrome to open its app settings. Next, look for the option called Permissions. This is where you can see exactly what types of data and features Chrome can access on your device. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list that might include things like camera, location, microphone, and contacts. Now, find contacts in this list and tap on it. Here's the crucial step. Select Don't Allow. This will immediately block Google Chrome from accessing your contacts. If Chrome ever needs access in the future, you'll get a prompt and can decide whether to allow it, but by default, your contacts will remain private. That's it. You've now successfully prevented Google Chrome from accessing your contacts on your phone. Taking a moment to review and adjust your app permissions is a great way to keep your personal data secure. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check your other apps and manage their permissions too. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.